Join me as I take on the challenge of fixing a leaking conservatory roof in the UK, and I'll share all the tips I discover along the way. In this video, you'll learn effective methods to stop your conservatory roof from leaking, which is especially relevant for homeowners in the UK. Many homeowners struggle with leaking conservatory roofs, leading to water damage and discomfort. The constant sound of dripping water, the sight of water spots on your furniture or carpet, and the musty smell of dampness can be frustrating and stressful. Leaks can also lead to more serious issues like mold growth, wood rot, and electrical problems. It's essential to address the problem as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Unfortunately, many people tend to ignore the issue or try temporary fixes that don't last long. One of the primary reasons for ignoring the problem is the misconception that replacing the entire conservatory roof is the only solution, which can be expensive and time-consuming. However, in most cases, it's possible to identify and fix the source of the leak without replacing the entire roof. By taking the right steps, you can stop the leak and prolong the life of your conservatory roof. Leaking conservatory roofs can lead to a range of problems, from structural damage to health hazards. It's crucial to take action quickly to prevent further damage and ensure your home remains safe and comfortable. We'll explore the reasons behind these leaks. Weak points in the conservatory roof's design or construction can make it prone to leaks. Poor installation, inadequate maintenance, and harsh weather conditions can also contribute to the problem. We'll discuss various causes of leaks, such as poor installation, weather damage, and maintenance issues, and outline practical solutions for each problem. Poor installation is a common cause of leaks, and it's often due to inadequate training or inexperience on the part of the installer. Weather damage, such as high winds or hail, can also cause leaks by dislodging or damaging roof components. Maintenance issues, like neglecting to clean the gutters or downspouts, can clog the water flow and cause leaks. In many cases, leaks occur due to simple mistakes made during the installation process. For example, if the flashing around the vents or skylights isn't properly sealed, water can seep into the conservatory. Similarly, if the roofing material is damaged or incorrectly applied, it can lead to leaks. By understanding the causes of leaks, you can identify the root cause of the problem and apply the right solution. In the next section, we'll provide a step-by-step guide on applying a sealant to stop leaks and prolong the life of your conservatory roof. The key moment will focus on a step-by-step guide to applying a sealant, which can effectively stop leaks and prolong the life of your conservatory roof. Applying a sealant is a relatively simple process that requires some basic tools and materials. With the right guidance, you can do it yourself and save money on professional services. To apply a sealant, you'll need to identify the source of the leak, clean the area thoroughly, and prepare the surface for application. Then, you can apply the sealant according to the manufacturer's instructions, ensuring it's spread evenly and smoothly. It's essential to choose the right type of sealant for your conservatory roof, as different materials require different products. Additionally, make sure to follow all safety precautions when working at heights or with chemicals. By applying a sealant, you can stop the leak and prevent further damage to your conservatory roof. This simple yet effective solution can save you money and hassle in the long run. To wrap up, we'll summarize the key points you've learned about preventing leaks and maintaining your conservatory roof. By understanding the causes of leaks, identifying the source of the problem, and applying the right solution, you can stop the leak and prolong the life of your conservatory roof. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more home maintenance tips.